Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens on the Samsung Galaxy A31 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Let's start with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic carbide tool and gently cut the adhesive around. Take out the back cover. Now, to remove the camera lens, apply a little heat to soften the glue. Once you feel the heating is enough, give a slight push to take out the camera lens. A quick note, there are two different replacement parts available for this repair. You can select the camera lens with the frame or camera lens but without the frame. Here we use a camera lens with the frame, which repairs much faster and easier. Replace the new camera lens and apply adhesive to it. Most of the time, the replacement camera lens comes with the adhesive. Otherwise, you can use B7000 glue on edges. Finally, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. I hope you have enjoyed the camera lens replacement guide. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.